up, gang? What up, gang? What's poppin'? It's your boy, Wavy6 with another episode. Say what's up to my poodle. He's back there. Puppy, come and say hello. No? Cool. Big shout out to my one-on-one followers. Thank you guys. Appreciate your help. I appreciate your support. Much love to you guys. Thank you to subscribe to my channel. I hope everything that I'm doing help you guys out, females and males. You know what I'm saying? And no matter what sex you're in, you with it, you with it. Okay, the episode for today is I had a 540, like I tell you guys all the time. I'm trying to fix my fork, and I found out that's my food, by the way. I found out how to get rid of the fork. The reason why is I wasn't brushing enough. So I found, you know what I'm saying, when I brush from the back all the way, you know what I'm saying, from behind here. Let me take my door real quick. Much love to you guys. Thank you to subscribe to my channel. I hope everything that I'm doing help you guys out, females and males. You know what I'm saying? And no matter what sex you're in, you with it, you with it. Okay, the episode for today is I had a 540, like I tell you guys all the time. I'm trying to fix my fork, and I found out that's my food, by the way. I found out how to get rid of the fork. The reason why is I wasn't brushing enough. So I found, you know what I'm saying, when I brush from the back all the way, you know what I'm saying, from behind here. Let me take my door real quick. Let me show you guys. Once again, thank you to my subscribers, one-on-one. We're growing up, we're growing up. Thank you for the support, peace and love. And I hope, you know what I'm saying, I make you guys happy and teach you guys tricks that I learned or whatever. If you want to become a waver, I'm here, you know what I'm saying? So just subscribe to my channel. If you're new to the channel, you know what I'm saying, I can't raise my voice. This is me, this is my tone. You know what I'm saying? Raw, what you gonna get? You're never gonna see me raising my voice or whatever the case is, you know what I'm saying? That's me. Let me show you guys. As you can see before, this was right here, and now it's moving down. It's connecting with this. How? Simple. I'm using a crown brush. This is a medium. It's not as hard as a medium. Okay, royalty. You could copy it in Amazon if you want. So what I figure is instead of brushing forward like this, it went downward like this. That way the circle go get more circle, you know what I'm saying? So it's like this. Let me show you. This is what I'm doing. I'm gonna look at the mirror because I want to be precise. You see my brush? Before it was like this. Now I'm doing it like this. That's why I tell you guys all the time, you gotta improvise. You know what I'm saying? You gotta practice with your angles. Tilt the brush. If you do it 1 week, it don't work, change it a little bit, not too much, you know what I'm saying? Just a little tweak. It might work. That's the only way you're gonna find out. Remember, I had a 540, now I'm switching it to 360 hybrid or 360 swirl, however you guys wanna call it. So, you know, yesterday I was brushing my hair, and I'm like, yo, let me play with the brush. I started tilting my brush, and it worked. And all I'm using for the brush is this up. Remember, the tip is for the crown, so I'm using the back to brush my waves. I'm using this part right here from up. You see what I'm saying? You see, it's moving. You see, before you used to see the big old fork right here, but now it's moving. So this is how I'm fixing my crooked waves. You know? So if you guys got these problems, just do what I'm doing. Just use a medium. If you're wolfing from 6-7 weeks, 4 weeks and up, get a hard brush. You could get a hard soft or a hard brush, you know what I'm saying? All depends on your hair too. I got medium hair. If you got straight hair, you should use a medium hard. If you have coarse hair, you could use a regular medium. The harder the hair, that's when you gotta change your brush. Me, I'm in between. I got medium hair, so. By the way, that's my birds. I got birds too, besides my toy poodle. Now I go like this here. It's behind your ear. Remember, this is one angle right here. If you could call it the number one. Wherever you start with your angle, that's gonna be number one. And then the rest, you know, all depends. You start from the back, from the side, don't matter. So now I'm connecting the front. I haven't changed the brush. It's the same way. A little bit of crown, pushing a little from the crown, not too much, but just a little bit, just to let the crown know that I'm here. Remember, this is
Hello? All right.
I got him, don't worry.
All right, cool.
I got him. Hi, Nico. So what's up to you two? Cool. You guys saw my bird, right? Just came by to see what's up. Like I said, just play with your brush, you know what I'm saying? Just play with it. It's the best way, man. You can watch my videos, you know what I'm saying? Do whatever, trying to do the same pattern I got. But everybody got different patterns and different waves. So right now I'm changing. I'm changing from 540 slanted to 360 hybrid or swerve, however you guys want to call it. They call it swerve and then they call it hybrid. That's what I'm working with right now. I'm doing from the crown all the way up. You see, it's working. You see how it looks? I'm gonna give you guys an advice. It's up to you if you wanna take it. You know, so I'm just here to help you guys out. For you guys to help me out. You know what I'm saying? You can leave a comment below if you got a idea. Yo, OG, you should try this, whatever. Whatever guys you gave me information that is good. You know what I'm saying? I'll take it. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not perfect. So I'm here, I'm learning. I've only been waiting for 1 year and I'm still learning, so it takes time. You know what I'm saying? The reason why I got my pattern developed, because I brush every day. I go to with my do-rag to sleep every day. When I wake up every day, the only time that I take my do-rag off is like if I get a haircut and I'm going to a barbecue party or I'm going to see somebody, family member. It's the only way. Besides that, I always got my do-rag on. And you know what I'm saying? That's just my lifestyle. And this line right here, the reason why I got this line, because I'm not using the line, the do-rag the proper. Reason why? Because when I go to sleep, I move a lot. You know what I'm saying? This way, that way, up. So I snug it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I OD a little bit, but everybody does that. So as you can see, from 540, he's getting back to the 360. You see, you guys can see it, right? It's flowing, working this section right here. As you guys can see right here, this is right now this is for me the hardest part, because over here was slanted. So what I'm trying to do now is trying to make a regular swirl. So since your hair get trained to do one thing, you gotta train it to do another one. That's the hardest part. That's why a lot of people, they scout, you know what I'm saying? They go bald and they start from the beginning because they don't want to stress it out. And I understand that. I wanted to do it, but in the winter. Now it's the summer. I ain't with it. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather just fix mine, tweak it a little bit. Hopefully for the summer, for the winter coming up, I'm gonna scout and I'm gonna redo it again. So you guys can come in my journey and, you know what I'm saying, if you're with it, we get this money. Well, yeah, I finally got the fork broke down, so he's just right now slowly he's moving out. I'm not gonna force it. I'm just gonna keep brush it and brush it normally. It's already got him moving, and that's what it is. If you got a crown brush, you could brush with a crown brush, because I'm doing it. You know what I'm saying? They small and you could get in tight spaces, and just tilt the brush a little bit, you see? Just play with it. You get it. Eventually you get it. See, he's moving out. It's the reason why I made this video. You know what I'm saying? So I could show you guys my progress. You know, let you know I haven't stopped it. I told you guys I wanna be elite. I wanna know that feeling. I wanna know how it feels to be elite. That's my challenge. Just gotta play with the brush. Right? It's looking better. Way better than before, I'm gonna be honest. Way better than before. Gotta brush. Don't be scared, just brush. Go in. Do it by sections. You see how I do it by sections? And take your time when you're brushing. You know what I'm saying? Look what you're doing. Honestly, I only got one fork, which is that one right here. And he's already moving now, as you guys can see. All right. You know the vibes. Once again, shout out to my 101 subscribers. Thank you, appreciate it. I'm gonna keep making videos. I'm gonna keep giving you guys tips. We're gonna keep growing on. OG gang, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy, G-Wave 6. Peace and love, I'm out of here. Gang, gang.